Are you ready to tam your yard into the spookless spot on the block this Halloween? What if I told you that with just a creative touches, your outdoor space could become the ultimate haunted attraction that everyone talks about? Stick around, because we're diving into the top outdoor Halloween decor ideas that will transform your home into a frightful wonderland. What are the easiest outdoor Halloween decorations to start with? Starting with simple decorations is a great way to ease into the Halloween spirit without overwhelming yourself. Here are the easy yet impactful decorations to get you started. Pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns. Whether carved or simply painted, pumpkins are a Halloween staple. Place them along your walkway or steps, create a spooky entrance. For a twist, use LED lights inside the pumpkins instead of traditional candles for a sail's long-lasting glow. Consider using pumpkins of different sizes and colors to add vanity and depth to your display. Hanging gutta. Create simple ghosts using white sheets, balloons, and sting. Hang them from trees or your porch to create a haunting atmosphere. Add some glowing eyes using battery-operated LED lights for an eerie effect. Arrange them in groups or scatter them around your yard for a ghostly gathering. Spooky signage. Use wooden boards or repurposed pallets to create custom Halloween signs with phrases like, "Beware," "Creepy," or "Dead End." Paint them in distressed styles, authentic haunted house vibe. Place the sign strategically around your yard to giggle trick-or-treaters through your eerie setup. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. How can I create a creepy atmosphere with lighting? Introduction. Answer. Lighting is one of the most effective ways to set a spooky tone for your outdoor Halloween decor. Here's how you can use lighting to create a truly eerie ambient. Colored spotlights. Use red, green, or purple spotlights. 10. Cast an eerie glow on your house, trees, or main decor pieces. Position the lights at low angles to cast long shadows, enhancing the spooky effect. Experiment with different color combinations to find the perfect unsettling hue for your display. Pathway lights. Line your walkway with flickering lanterns or LED candies to guide visitors through your haunted yard. For an extra smeppy touch, use solar power to cool lights or glowing tombstones. Add a layer of fog with a fog machine for a truly ghostly pathway. Projections. Use a projector to cast spooky shadows on your walls or garage door. Popular choices include bats, witches, and spiders. Make your own shadow figures using cardboard cutouts placed in front of a light source. Adjust the size of the projections to make them loom large and menacing. Don't forget to nail more Halloween tips and tricks. What are some advanced Halloween decorations for enthusiasts? Introduction. Answer. If you're a Halloween enthusiast looking to take your decor to the next level, these advanced decorations will definitely impress your visitors. Tomated props, tin animatronic decorations, jumping spiders, talking skeletons, or moving witches. These will startle anyone who dares to approach. Set up motion sensors so that these props activate when someone walks by, adding an element of surprise. Synchronize the props with sound effects for a more immersive experience. Haunted house facade. Transform the exterior of your home into a haunted mansion using plywood, foam, and paint. Create boarded-up windows, crumbling walls, or even doorways. Use projection mapping to add ghosts or other spooky scenes to your house, making it look like the spit are coming from within. Add creepy, atmospheric music and sound effects to heighten the haunted house vibe. DIY gravedigger scene. Create a life-size figure of a gravedigger using an old mannequin or wireframe. Dress it in tattered clothes and place it next to a freshly dug grave. Use a shovel and some loose dirt to make it look like the grave sligger is hard at work. Enhance the scene with a fog machine and dim lighting to make it truly eerie. Want to see these advanced decorations in action? Check out the description for links to How can I incorporate a theme into my outdoor Halloween decor? Introduction. Answer. Choosing a theme can make your Halloween display more cohesive and memorable. Here are 3 popular themes and how to bring them to life in your yard. Classic graveyards set the scene with tombstones, skeletons, and eerie lighting. Use moss and fake cobwebs to aid your props for an authentic feel. Add a fog machine to create a misty, haunted atmosphere. Enhance the effect with sound effects like distant howls or creaking gates to immerse visitors in your spooky cemetery. Witchy's lair. Create a witch's gathering spot with a cauldron, broomsticks, and patio bottles. Use a fog machine inside the cauldron to make it look like it's bubbling over with a magical brew. Add a witch silhouette or a life-sized figure with glowing eyes to guard the cauldron. Incorporate elements: spellbooks, crystal ballast, and black cats to complete the look. Zombie apocalypse. Scatter zombie figures emerging from the ground, climbing fences, or lurking behind trees. Use tattered clothes stuffed with straw or old newspapers to create DIY zombies on a budget. Splatter fake blood and add warning signs like infected ANSA or zombie crossing or a terrifying touch. CTA, interested in more themed decor ideas? Be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. How can I make my Halloween decor eco-friendly? Introduction. Answer. Making your Halloween decor eco-friendly doesn't mean sacrificing creativity. Here are some ways to go green this Halloween. Reusable decoration. Add in high-quality decorations that can be used year after year, such as LEDs, durable tombstones, and metal lantern. Avoid single-use plastics by choosing decorations made from sustainable materials like wood, metal, or recycled items. Store your decorations properly after Halloween to extend their life and reduce waste. Natural element. Use pumpkins, gourds, and other organic materials that can be composted after the season is. Decorate with straw bales, dried flowers, and comstocks, all of which can return to the earth naturally. Collect and use fallen eye caves, branches, and ecoms as part of your spooky display. Energy-efficient lighting. Lease solar-powered or battery-operated LED lights to minimize energy consumption. Set timers on your lights to reduce energy usage and avoid unnecessary waste. Opt for low-energy fog machines and projectors if you're using them in your display. Looking for more eco-friendly tips? Drop a comment below with your questions or ideas. From simple to advanced, these outdoor Halloween decoration ideas will help you create the ultimate spooky experience that your neighbors won't forget. Whether you're working on a budget or ready to go all out, there's a thing here for every Halloween enthusiast. So which idea are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, a little creativity goes a long way in making the Halloween the best one.